Matthew 11 verse 28, Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Psalm 23 verses 1 to 3, The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing. He makes me lie down in green pastures, He leads me beside quiet waters, He refreshes my soul. Isaiah 40 verse 31, But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles, they will run and not grow weary, they will walk and not be faint. Hebrews 4 verses 9 to 10, There remains, then, a Sabbath rest for the people of God, for anyone who enters God's rest also rests from their works, just as God did from His. Psalm 62 verse 1, Truly my soul finds rest in God, my salvation comes from Him. Exodus 33 verse 14, The Lord replied, My presence will go with you, and I will give you rest. Jeremiah 6 verse 16, This is what the Lord says, Stand at the crossroads and look, ask for the ancient paths, ask where the good way is, and walk in it, and you will find rest for your souls. Psalm 4 verse 8, In peace I will lie down and sleep, for you alone, Lord, make me dwell in safety. Proverbs 3 verse 24, When you lie down, you will not be afraid. When you lie down, your sleep will be sweet. Matthew 6 verse 34, Therefore do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.